Bonsoir Stacy, bonsoir James. So this is a summary of what we did on Tuesday, yesterday. Mardi 22 septembre, leçon 11 sur 36. So, looks a bit messy like that, but in fact it works well. Visually it's a great advantage to be able to write on the PDFs. So we did à la gare, at the train station. Let me zoom in. Hop. And à la gare, so here je suis à la gare, I am at the train station. Je vais à la gare, I'm going to the train station. So basically, to the, at the, they are the same prepositions in French. Okay, they don't necessarily mean the same, but they have the same prepositions. And so it can be masculine, au, féminine, à la. If the noun starts with a vowel or an H, a l'apostrophe, and O with an X, we don't pronounce it, pluriel form. Bonjour, je voudrais réserver des billets de train, s'il vous plaît. I would like to reserve train tickets, please. Oui, monsieur. Pour quelle destination? For what destination? Which destination? Eh bien, il me faudrait. So I would need. So basically, if I want to simplify the tense, I can say il me faut. It's a present tense. It's necessary to me, or basically I need for myself. Round trip Paris-Lille. Lille is northern France. Paris, we know where it is. So northern France. So with a departure Wednesday 15 in the morning, au matin, and return vendredi 17 au soir, so Friday 17th in the evening. Je ne connais pas les horaires, I don't know the schedule. So the hours if you want. Alors, vous avez un TGV toutes les demi-heures, so you have a TGV every half hour, entre 6 et 9 heures au départ de Paris, between 6 and 9 a.m., departure Paris. Départ vers 8 heures, c'est parfait. So the guy is choosing 8 a.m. It's perfect. 7h58, donc arrivée 9h02. So 7:58, then arrival 9:02. Et pour le retour, vous avez un TGV toutes les heures à partir de 15h. So, and for the return, you have one TGV every hour starting at 3 p.m. 18h dans ce cas, in that case, 6 p.m. in that case. Bien, 18h, arrivé à Paris à 19h04. So, 6 p.m., arrive on Paris at 7:04. Première ou seconde, first class or second class, economic. Non-fumeur. So, fumeur, non-fumeur. So, second is choosing. Fumeur, non-fumeur. Smoker en smoking or non-smoking area. Vous avez une réduction, do you have a discount? Non, je ne crois pas. No, I don't believe so. I don't think so. Alors, cela fera 92 euros. Okay. Let's be careful on all the verbs here. Because verbs in French are very important. So, tous les matins, every morning. It's like we say all the mornings. Okay. Tous les soirs, every evening. Tous les après-midi, every afternoon. Okay. So, tout, sometimes it's just, we just say tout. Depends what comes after. Toutes. So basically that means all, everything, but every as well. That's a big problem because we have another issue like that to translate from French to English is many and much. So basically in French we say combien c'est. Combien can mean how many and how much. So there's a big difference in English, but in French it's going to be the same expression. Okay. So, quel, that means what day or which day. So, quel jour, dans quel train, in which trains, dans quelle pour quelle destination, for what destination, avec quelle personne, with whom, which people, which persons. Okay. So, personne is feminine. Une personne, but it's a plural form, so we have feminine and plural. Une destination. Every time, just think of a noun ending in tion is feminine. Okay. So what destination? It's a feminine form here, singular. Un train, masculine, plurion. So, quel train? We have masculine plurion. Et quel jour? What day? Un jour, it's masculine and it's singular. So, this is masculine singular, masculine plurion, féminine singular, féminine plurion. Ok? Le TGV, train à grande vitesse. On attend le train sur le quai. We wait for the train on the platform. We didn't talk about that, but composter, that doesn't mean to compost. That means to validate your train ticket. If you go to the TGV, if you take a TGV, you need to validate your ticket before entering the train. Okay? That's what we say composter. It's like to validate, to make a, to put a date on you. There is a machine before entering the platform. So this is where you have to insert your ticket and get like some kind of a date en euros. Voilà. Le départ, departure, l'arrivée, arrival, les horaires de train, the train schedule. Un aller simple is just, I forgot now. One way, aller-retour, round trip, réduction, une réduction is like some kind of a promotion as well, discount. Première classe, seconde classe, fumeur, non-fumeur. Je voudrais réserver, I would like to reserve. Quels sont les horaires? What is the schedule? What are the different hours? Il me faudrait, I would need. It would be necessary to me if you want. Je ne connais pas les horaires. I don't know the schedule. Okay? So we need to do the exercises really, really, really together, because if I ask you to do the exercises, you may not understand everything. Okay? So it's better if we do that. We spend at least 10 minutes on this and that's it. J'achète, vous achetez, je préfère, vous préférez. So what we talked about is the different accents. Préférer, to prefer. Acheter, to buy. Jeter, to throw, to toss. Appeler, to call. So that's basically what we need, because we already talked about payer, envoyer, Y-E-R, and G-E-R, we add an E with nous, and C-E-R, we add a CCD with nous. So préféré, we have the two accents like that, So we're going to keep them with nous and vous, and change the second accent with je préfère, tu préfères, il préfère, nous préférons, vous préférez, il préfère. So the same goes with espérer, to hope, répéter, to repeat, compléter, to complete. Acheter, so the same, but here we add an accent, except with nous and vous. Okay? So j'achète, tu achètes, il achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, ils achètent. Same goes for mener, to lead, amener, to bring, emmener, to bring along somebody, or enlever, to take off, to remove, peser, to weigh. And we double the consonant with verbs like jeter. So, je jette, tu jettes, il jette, nous jetons, one T, vous jetez, one T, il jette. Appeler, double the consonant, double the L. J'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, nous appelons, one L, vous appelez, one L, et ils appellent. Okay? We just always have to be careful with nous and vous, because I'm very close to the infinitive form. So, tu amènes des amis. So, je préfère les blondes, les brunes, les rousses, doesn't matter. Elle répète les phrases. Vous préférez un livre. Nous enlevons nos chaussures. Vous répétez les phrases. Nous complétons le livre, whatever, tu completes. Nous achetons 100 kg de pommes de terre. Il pèse 100 kg. On répète la chanson de song. Il préfère danser. Okay? So it's always the same. As soon as we understand the pattern, there's no problem. It's not a big deal. So now verbs like appeler, acheter, manger, voyager, etc. Voyager is to travel. Il achète une veste, elle achète une robe, nous achetons un pull. Tu appelles ta sœur, nous appelons nos amis, vous appelez vos parents. Vous mangez une glace, elle mange des frites, nous mangeons un sandwich. Vous voyagez en avion, il voyage en train, nous voyageons en car. So I told you about this expression. It's a present progressive actually. Je suis en train de voyager. It's like I'm traveling. We don't necessarily have this form per se, because if I say, you know, il achète, he buys, I can also say he's buying. So it's not like there is two tenses, two present tenses like in English. So we didn't do that because it's always the same over and over again. I gave you an additional thing. We're gonna start, but not everything, because look, it's really big. Okay, so we're gonna start talking about the difference between this one is hard. En, année, years or year. Jour, journée, day. Soir, soirée, evening. So I don't always like this kind of description, but we can try, you know, to just to talk about, you know, this page, just one. Okay, anyways, that is it. You guys have a wonderful evening, and I'll talk to you on Thursday, tomorrow. Au revoir, bonne nuit.